Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu and find the alarms icon. Once you find it, tap on it. And here we can set the new alarm clock or set up the new alarm clock by tapping on new alarm. Now we can set the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down on hours and minutes. And once you're done, you can tap on the hour like this and the alarm will be set. Here we have it. You can tap on it to customize it a little bit further. Here we can turn it on or off. We can scroll down and here we can also enable smart wake or disable it. We can also select days on which the alarm should repeat. So for example, if you select every day, the alarm will go off every day. But if you select something like let's say Tuesday, actually let me uncheck the days and select Monday and Tuesday and then go back, you'll see that the alarm will repeat only on Mondays and Tuesdays. And you can also have multiple alarms if you want to. And you can also remove the alarms. To do it, tap on one, scroll down, tap on remove, and then remove to remove it. And once you're done setting up the alarm clocks, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.